Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we have given 10% square plus 10% square is what? 1%, 2%, 50%, or 100%. So let's start with today's video solution. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and activate the notification bell here on the channel. So because we are daily upload free videos that train your mind in reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. So take a good look to the resolution of this. Percentage means 1 by 100. So you can replace a symbol with 1 by 100, or in place of 1 by 100, you can write the symbol. So 10% is 10 by 100 square plus 10 by 100 square, which will cancel out. So 1 by 10 square plus 1 by 10 square. So it's become 1 by 100 plus 1 by 100. If we take LCM, we get 100. Here 1 plus 1, which is equals to 2 by 100, which I can write it as 2 times 1 by 100. And we already discussed that in place of 1 by 100, we can write the symbol percentage. So it becomes 2%, which is option number B. Comment down below if you already cracked the logic. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.